Hello dear subscribers, today I'm going to make a short video how to replace CV boots on Nissan Elgrand 50 or 51, they're all the same models. It's very simple. You gotta take everything off. You gotta take outer tie rod, you gotta take ball joint off, you gotta unhook the strut, take the sensor, brake sensor. I mean, you can just leave it, but be careful, don't rip it off, because you gotta take support, brake support completely out. I usually hang it. I'm gonna show it on another side. Then you gotta take all this, take the cap first, and then it's gonna be spring there or wherever the stopper. You take that off. Then you take this off completely, then you unscrew a couple screws inside, and that's the two screws there, tiny screws. You take that stopper off, then you unscrew the whole thing, and then take the disc, brake disc with everything out, and then you just remove that part, hang it, your support, hang it. That's it. You got 6 bolts on your axle. Take 6 bolts out. I marked them because I like to mark everything. The mark is somewhere right there. Yeah, I marked it just in case if they balanced or something. On my case, I'm gonna replace everything. I'm gonna replace ball joint. I'm gonna replace inner outer tie rods. I'm gonna replace that rod, whatever you call it, stabilizer. I got a brand new one. Also, I'm gonna replace the brake rotors and brakes. Then when you took your axle off, so take your old boot off, unclip it. I'm gonna put new clips. I got everything from Japan, even color, everything, brand new bolts, even bolts came. Man, I like that. Now it's going to be inside, inner, it will be cap here, right there is that brand new cap also. So to take it off, you just pop it like that, just slide it a little, not too hard like that, and it will come off. And then you can just take that off. That's it, easy wheezy. That's it. Then you got another stopper, whatever you call it. It's right there, tiny one. You just depress it, pull it out, take that bearing off, clean everything. And then also you can, I'm not going to show this side, I mean it's simple, but on this side you got, when you will take the CV boot off, it will be stopper ring, long big one, all the way around here. So you gotta clean a little, find it, and just prime it with the screwdriver. Very simple. And that's it. I mean, you don't have to have a new cap. It's reusable if you didn't damage it, and it's gonna be perfect. Easy wheezy, easy wheezy. This van gonna be replaced everything. So I'm gonna replace ball joint, lower one, it's only one here, inner outer, brakes, brake pads, and then brake rotor, both sides. It's gonna be done, both sides, which is they not bad, they could be just returned, but if I'll find somebody, they'll do it. But I got brand new ones, so I'm gonna put brand new ones. And I don't know, I think that's it. I'll fix the bumper. Gotta be fixed. Somebody knocked it, but it's possible to fix it. I've done something like that before. Nice. Man, look at that. Very nice van. I'm gonna also I'm gonna replace rear drums and the shoes. I'm gonna put brand new tires. This van is very good condition. No leaks, nothing. Yeah, it's just perfect. Everything in great shape. Yeah, I'm gonna replace axle oil, transmission oil, transfer case oil, rear axle oil, filter. Where is the filter? Has that been replaced? Oh, and this one, oh yes, right here. Yeah, it's been replaced, but I'm gonna replace it anyway. All the belts, everything in perfect shape. I already checked it. That's it. Short video. Very short. Short video. Shorty Morty. Nissan Elgrand Highway Star. All mode, 4x4. It's got everything inside. Everything. But I gotta fix it. Have a good day. Have a blessed life. Disaster around here.